everybody. It's the Not Friday Spotlight. We're doing things a little bit differently this week. It's the 4th of July edition of our Friday feature. In this Friday feature, Linda Ramler describes a 4-session intensive learning opportunity developed at the UConn UCED for families that incorporates life course principles and tools with information about exciting initiatives in their state and evidence-based practices concerning school to adult transition. You'll learn about the non-negotiable realities and values underlying the training, the life course tools they use to help families create multi-purpose transition portfolios, and how other transition information can be integrated with life course. To watch this Friday feature, all you have to do is click the link below. You'll go to Flipgrid where you can watch the feature, then leave us a video comment or message. It's so easy. If you're feeling a little apprehensive about Flipgrid, check in the description for the link to a Flipgrid tutorial. It's really so easy and you'll be a pro in no time. Enjoy the 3-day weekend, and from all of us at Life Course Nexus, happy 4th of July.